All right, welcome back. So we're going to go over SageMaker Autopilot. But before we get started, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with anyone you know taking the AWS Machine Learning Associate exam. So SageMaker Autopilot is AWS's fully managed AutoML service that automates the entire machine learning workflow. It selects optimal algorithms, preprocesses data, tunes hyperparameters, trains multiple models, and presents a ranked leaderboard of candidates. What traditionally required deep machine learning expertise becomes a guided experience with full transparency through auto-generated Jupyter notebooks showing every decision. So, when do you use it? Autopilot excels with tabular prediction problems using CSV or Parquet data. It's ideal for quick prototyping when you need results fast, or when teams lack deep ML expertise but need production quality models. Business analysts can leverage Autopilot without understanding gradient descent or regularization theory. The service handles binary classification, multi-class classification, and regression problems. Input data comes from S3, execution happens through SageMaker Studio's GUI, and results integrate with pipelines for automation. Clarify for explainability, model registry for versioning, and CloudWatch for monitoring. So, what are the models here? Autopilot offers three operational modes: hyperparameter optimization, or HPO. This mode runs up to 100 trials across pre-selected algorithms like XGBoost, linear learner, and multi-layer perceptron. Ensembling mode trains many base models and builds a stacked ensemble using AutoGluon. Auto mode intelligently chooses. This is datasets over 100 megabytes to get HPO. Smaller datasets get ensembling. One caveat: if Autopilot cannot determine dataset size due to private S3s and VPC, manifest format, or more than 1,000 files, it defaults to HPO mode. So, clarify. So, Autopilot integrates SageMaker Clarify, which uses SHAP. That's Shapley Additive Explanations. These detect feature attributions and identify biases. Clarify reveals whether protected attributes like race, age, or gender inappropriately influence predictions. This supports governance, transparency, and ethical AI requirements increasingly common in regulated industries. But what's the cost structure here? So Autopilot charges for the underlying infrastructure. That means the compute time on EC2s, the S3 storage for data and artifacts, and the inference endpoints if deployed. The costs scale with data size and trial count. So running 100 trials on machine learning process on an ML.m would typically cost $5 to $20, but it depends on your training duration. You can reduce expenses, as we said earlier, by using smaller instance types, setting trial limits to cap exploration, and running in local mode for testing small jobs before committing to full-scale experiments. So remember, we're not going to do these ones because they require Jupyter notebooks, or I'm sorry, SageMaker notebooks, and those notebooks take time to set up. So, but you will do a very similar setup in SageMaker AI. So we're going to end with this. For the exam, when questions ask about automating machine learning workflows, enabling non-experts to build models, providing model explainability, SageMaker Autopilot addresses these requirements through its fully managed AutoML approach. So thank you for joining. Before you go, hit the like, subscribe, share this with anyone you know taking the AWS Machine Learning Associate exam. Thank you, and have a good day.